Hello guys, my name is Ankur and this is my Duke 390 2016, and today I will tell you how you can set the RPM shift light. Okay, so to come to the trip 2 and press and hold the mode, it will set the RPM 1. Now it's 9,000 because I want it to 9,000. Okay, press mode to up. See, it increases, and set to down. Let's leave it for like 5 seconds. It will set automatically. Okay, now we are good. So let's start the light. So for RPM 2, go to the trip 2 and press and hold the set button. It will reset your trip, but it will come to the RPM 2. Now you can decrease it to 10,000. I will 11,000. Okay, fine. So I will take it to 11,000 and just leave it. It will reset automatically. So I will show you now. Okay, now let's start. Hello guys, my name is Ankur and this is my Duke 390 2019.